beautiful view of California. It's gonna be a super long drive for my husband right here, but it's gonna be fine because we're gonna enjoy it, so come along. Pink elevators. How's the drive, babe?
It's nice.
now here inside the hotel, and the first thing that you're gonna see here is this super nice mirror. I love mirror in every hotel. And whoa, it's kind of big. I like it, babe. How can I turn on the lights? This is so nice. Let me just turn on all the lights so you guys can see. Wow, super nice. Perfect. Television. Okay, we have mini refrigerator here. And this one. What is this though? It's just like another exit door here. And then you open this. It's our closet. We are now going to the room. Let's check the bed. Let's check the view first. It's nice. Maybe it's gonna be nicer in the morning. Wow. This is our bathroom. Nice. I like it. Hair dryer. And then always love the lighting. This is another closet. Safety box. Clothes iron. This is the bed. Super nice, I like it. Someone's hiding here. Hi.
Hi.